DeMonte Kendrick, widely known as Yak Gotti, a prominent defendant in the long-running Young Slime Life, that is YSL, trial, made significant strides in court this week. Judge Paige Whitaker granted a directed verdict on 3 charges related to drug possession and intent to distribute, effectively dismissing them. The ruling came after the judge determined that the evidence presented was insufficient for a jury to reasonably consider a conviction on these specific charges. This legal milestone sheds light on the complexities of the case, which has garnered extensive public and media attention. A directed verdict is a rare and decisive judicial move. As explained by legal experts, it occurs when the judge finds no legally sufficient evidence to support a conviction, even when viewed in the light most favorable to the prosecution. Judge Whitaker clarified that her threshold for granting this motion exceeds the standard of reasonable doubt, requiring an objective review of whether any rational jury could find the defendant guilty based on the presented evidence. In Yak Gotti's case, the judge ruled that there was no proof linking him to the drugs found during a search of Young Thug's home, as argued by his legal team. However, the directed verdict does not mark the end of Yak Gotti's legal challenges. He continues to face charges, including a significant RICO count central to the prosecution's narrative of YSL being a criminal gang. The defense has argued that Yak Gotti's mere presence at certain events does not prove his participation in alleged criminal activities, an argument they hope to reinforce as the trial progresses. The YSL case has been fraught with complexities, starting with the indictment of 28 defendants accused of operating a gang under the YSL banner. Over time, the case has been narrowed through plea deals and severances, leaving just 2 defendants, Yak Gotti and Shannon Stillwell, awaiting a jury verdict. Both declined plea offers, opting to see the case through to its conclusion. Meanwhile, Young Thug, another central figure in the case, entered a plea deal earlier, resulting in probation and restrictions. As the trial nears its conclusion, the spotlight remains firmly on Yak Gotti and the outcomes of his remaining charges. This pivotal legal battle not only affects the individuals involved, but also raises broader questions about the use of evidence, the treatment of defendants, and the intersection of culture and criminal justice in high-profile cases. Stay subscribed for more videos.